Okay guys, we're out here on the Cooper 172. This is located in Crawford County, Illinois. It is right on the Crawford and Clark County line, actually the north side of the property. 10 yards north of it, it starts Clark County. It's right along the Wabash River, so right across the river within a quarter of a mile, we're to Indiana. We've got river access to this on north and northwestern winds. You guys can ride your boats up here, and we've got stands placed all along the river on big rut funnels and pinches. We put 4 rednecks on this farm, and there's multiple Millennium stands on it. This place is covered up in deer. Where average sets are 20 to 30 deer that we're seeing. So if you're just wanting to buy something to do a little bit of hunting and see lots of wildlife, this is your place. Now, if you're a big buck hunter, this farm's got that too. There's a 180 on this farm already this year, and there's multiple 140s, 150s that are good up and comers. There's a lot of native grasses through here, so it's not just super thick like a CRP would be. This is what all of this right through here looks like this. You've got like 80 acres of this on this farm. This is all of it. I mean, you guys can see all this right through here. So if you guys are interested in maybe purchasing this farm or wanting to come look at it, you guys can give me a call. We'll drop the number below here, and anytime that you guys want to come, just give me a call or shoot me a text, and we'll set up a date and we'll get out here and we'll view this farm and hopefully make it your farm.